Microsoft Authenticator transfer to new phone. Now, if you want to transfer Microsoft Authenticator to new phone, it is fairly simple to do so. But what you have to understand is you must have backed up your data from your previous phone to a newer phone. So if you're trying to transfer everything on your previous phone, I'm assuming you must have backed up the data to your Microsoft account, because you can back up your Authenticator data as well. Now, what you have to do is on a newer phone, we have to restore that backup during the login process. So go ahead and then open the Microsoft Authenticator app, and this is the interface that you will see. It will ask me to add my first account, but ignoring that, if you look at the bottom, it says already have a backup, sign into your recovery account, where you can tap on the begin recovery button that you can see there. And when you tap the begin recovery option right there, you have to simply log into the Microsoft account where you had backed up all your previous phone's data or the Authenticator data in general. After that, you enter your password and email address, and you will be able to restore everything from your previous Authenticator to a newer phone. This way you will be able to transfer Microsoft Authenticator to new phone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.